The solution to both these inquiries is, indeed, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, which is very huge. You ought to explicitly consider purchasing Axie boundlessness tokens, since it for the most part is demonstrated to be a dependable long-haul venture, or so they thought. It in a real sense has not just demonstrated to in a real sense be a greatly versatile crypto resource. However, it likewise performed exemplarily well, previously developing its starting cost 1,100x in a year, which is very critical. Pushing ahead, Axie, all things considered, is supposed to keep broadening its worth in an unobtrusive manner. A few examiners are very certain about its future cost execution and essentially anticipate that it should, in every practical sense, appreciate by as sort of much as 900% in the following a year and near 8,500% in the following 10 years in an unobtrusive way. Axie vastness in a real sense most certainly is likewise a by and large especially great in every way that really matters. Purchase on the grounds that its cost is driven by two genuinely key highlights that for the most part are supposed to assist it with by and large arriving at phenomenal highs in the sort of genuinely next not very many years. First, in the countless number of forthcoming turns of events and moves up to the Axie endlessness biological system. Second, explicitly is the generally improving crypto market, whose forthcoming cost rallies, particularly after 2024 and 2028 Bitcoin dividing occasions, in a real sense, are supposed to sling Axie endlessness to impossible levels without a doubt. In this way, would it be a good idea for you purchase Axie endlessness, Axie, in every way that really matters, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking? The choice to purchase Axie boundlessness, or and especially other digital money, ought to truly be educated by more than crypto investigator feelings. It ought to explicitly be truly shown up at after an exhaustive investigation and comprehension of the altcoin and the crypto market, essentially your exchanging experience, risk resistance, and its arrangement with fundamentally your venture objectives, which essentially is very huge. All things considered, in any case, most of crypto examiners and financial backers are persuaded that Axie token costs will bounce back and keep ascending all through 2022, and then some, which in every practical sense makes it a decent purchase, or so they by and large thought. The play to procure crypto wave generally is simply assembling speed, and will most lovely probably truly rule the gaming scene in the entirely next kind of couple of years. Reddit fellow benefactor Alexis Ohanian generally has previously communicated truly anticipated that play to procure crypto will in a real sense supplant traditional web-based gaming in the following 5 years incredibly. He contends that even star gamers will presently need to be made up for their time, and there especially is no sort of preferred spot to accomplish this over by joining the right now accessible blockchain-based play-to-acquire stages. Axie limitlessness for the most part is likewise certainly worth purchasing today, since it in every practical sense is hugely underestimated and prepared for serious areas of strength for a revision that could basically assist with developing your capital venture over the really next essentially couple of years amazingly. As a matter of fact, it had previously left on a wild cost explicitly run that took it to its by and large current all-time high in November, before the unexpected December auction, and the January 2022 market decline basically in every practical sense saw it generally shed near 70% of this pinnacle esteem in an essentially sort of enormous manner. Most of examiners and financial backers really concur with this view and explicitly feel like the main thing holding Axie from arriving at its true capacity basically is the negative market opinions, which basically is genuinely huge. Some have even contended that Axie truly is only one convention away from coming to $1,000, and that it could arrive when 2023. Axie boundlessness, Axie, value history from 2020 to 2022 in a significant manner. Axie limitlessness sent off in November 2020. At the last part of the crypto winter that basically struck somewhere in the range of 2018 and 2020. And the beginning of a crypto rally that emerged in 2021 amazingly. It thusly didn't come as a shock when it took off very quickly, tearing above $1 in February 2021 and developing its basic cost by 1,000% to for the most part reach $10 in April, at the pinnacle of this cost rally. Under a month subsequent to hitting this pinnacle, the market slumped and Axie's pretty symbolic costs plunged 70% to exchange at around $3. In a demonstration of versatility, notwithstanding, Axie quite recuperated quickly and sort of proceeded to set the ongoing all-time genuinely high of $165 on November 2021. This bounce back and extremely quick ascent was to a great extent powered by a recuperating crypto market. The rising prominence of Axie limitlessnesses, especially Play 2 for the most part procure model, and developing local area support seeing that it really hit 1 million everyday dynamic clients close to this time. Further upturn was, notwithstanding, stopped by the unexpected December auction and unforeseen January market decline. At the hour of compassing, the 39th most significant crypto resource in every way that really matters, has generally lost genuinely over 70% of its November 2021 pinnacle cost. In any case, the market fundamentally is hugely hopeful that the bear run will basically be fleeting and that both Axie and the genuinely bigger crypto market will bounce back and really continue the late 2021 cost generally run. Will Axie boundlessness, Axie, generally reach $1,000 in 2023? Or so they in every practical sense thought. It for the most part in every practical sense is really workable for the Axie boundlessness in every practical sense token to reach $1,000 before the finish of 2022. As a matter of fact, during the symbolics cost especially run in the pretty truly last 50% of 2021, most of crypto examiners especially had explicitly contended that assuming Axie supported this upturn, it would in every practical sense have broken above $1,000 in genuinely mid-2022. However, the tables have since turned, and a haze of negative opinions as of now looms over the crypto market in a significant manner. This in every practical sense has seen most financial backers and experts revamp their examination, and right now, nobody accepts that Axie can develop its worth by the 2000%. Expected to get to $1,000 in the following 11 months amazingly. Best case scenario, they explicitly anticipate that it should bounce back and perhaps transcend the ongoing all-time exceptionally high. For instance, sort of had been greatly bullish about Axie's cost activity in the short term, which is genuinely huge. Today, in any case, they can expect and in every practical sense, fundamentally moderate bounce back and recuperation that takes it to dollar number toward the finish of ETH year. Specialized examiners added likewise been bullish about Axie vastness tokens cost activity for the following, essentially couple of years. Today, nonetheless, they fundamentally essentially anticipate that it should bounce back by April and rally to $250 by December 2022 in an extremely huge manner. Specialized experts explicitly are a bit a whole lot more hopeful and in every practical sense are persuaded that Axie could bounce back by April and develop its ongoing business sector cost by 800% to generally reach $400 before the year's end. In the wake of understanding the reason why the Axie vastness extremely token truly merits purchasing, notwithstanding the continuous cost plunge, you presently need to move concentration to the best spot to purchase the Axie boundlessness token and how to purchase the Axie token. Exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. And would it be a good idea for you to purchase Axie limitlessness, Axie, in